Instacupper electric kettle comes with 2 infuser lid with removable tea infuser. In borosilicate glass material for a classic and modern look. With 360 degrees revolving base for added convenience. Built with large lid opening that makes it easier to clean. The transparent borosilicate glass makes it easier to see how much of your tea brew is left. LED display precisely shows the current brew temperature, along with the 1.7 litre measurement marking. Certified faster boiler time. The stay warm, hot function ensures you can keep your tea brew at a sustained temperature. Comes in easy to pour V-spout, automatically shut off once the water is heated up or when the kettle is lifted up. Perfect heater for hot beverages. With easy to grip handle. Ideal for loose tea leaves and tea bag infusion. Using its removable stainless steel basket. Easy to lock infuser feature. Brew your tea to perfection. Instacupper electric kettle is for every tea lover.